In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your project management and make it easier to organize and search for tasks, then you've come to the right place. Tags are a powerful feature in Monday.com that can help you classify and easily retrieve information from your boards, making your workflow much more efficient. To start, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Monday.com URL. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. This will bring you to your dashboard, which displays all your boards and projects. Now, let's click on one of your boards where you want to add tags. Boards are essentially the projects or departments where you organize your tasks. Selecting a board opens up all the tasks, updates, and columns related to that particular project. This is where we start incorporating tags into your workflow. You'll notice a plus sign at the top of your board. Click on this plus sign. This is where you can add new columns to your board, giving you the flexibility to customize your project layout. In the search bar that appears, type in tags. This will filter your options to show the tag column specifically. Once you see it, click on tags to add that column to your board. The tag column allows everyone who's sharing the board to use consistent labels, making information retrieval more intuitive. Once you have the tag column, you'll notice another small plus sign within this specific column. Clicking here allows you to create your tags. When thinking about what tags to create, consider how you want to categorize your tasks. Tags can be anything from project phases, departments, priority levels, or even individual team members' names. It's all about what works best for you and your team to find and sort information quickly. After you've added and created your tags, using the search icon at the top of your dashboard becomes exceptionally handy. This search feature provides a seamless way to find all items tagged with a particular label across all boards. Simply click on the search icon, type in the tag name, and hit enter. Monday.com will then display all the items associated with that tag across your project space, making it super easy to locate and focus on what's important at any given moment. Finally, when you find the tag you've searched for, go ahead and click on the tag name. This will help you access all related tasks, allowing you to see and manage everything at a glance. With tags, organization becomes second nature, so don't hesitate to explore how different tagging strategies can maximize your productivity and improve team collaboration. That wraps up our guide on using tags in Monday.com. We hope this helps you make the most of your project management tool. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.